Government of Manipur has extended suspension of mobile internet and mobile data services, including VPN services in 5 districts, that is Imphal West, Imphal East, Thoubal, Kokching and Bishnupur for an additional 2 days starting from 2 p.m. on April 10, citing continued volatile law and order situation. The Home Department stated that the decision was taken as preventive measure to curb spread of misinformation and rumors on social media platforms such as WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram and Twitter, which could potentially incite mobilization, violence and damage to public and private property. While broadband services had earlier been conditionally restored in a limited manner, authorities said effective regulatory control over mobile data services remains technically unfeasible. The order, issued under Temporary Suspension of Telecommunication Services Rules 2024, warned that any violation would invite legal action.